over town, we go on the hills, we go on one plantation way up a town. See that? Yeah man, the breadfruit soon dropping us, so I have to stay on the tree to catch you or else you run down our gully. Here goes, here goes, here goes. Three breadfruit on one stem. See there? Three. Pear. We never carry the bull of them, but we have pear. Yeah. See how big this breadfruit is?
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. It's all about farming, you know. Yeah, prepare a piece of property of plant some potato. You know what I mean? Yes, you don't know. See, we're up on the plantation, my people. Yeah, man, breadfruit, you know. I go look some breadfruit and all, you know what I mean? Yeah, up on the plantation, my viewers. Yeah, it's all about food that we go in a pot. Yeah man, we need up on the farm, you know, whole for something up on the farm, you know, whole for something. Cherry they go on ya. Yeah man, cherry. You know, whole for cherry, my people. Yeah man, it's all about the plantation and some nice coconut sucker, alright? Yeah, my people, pear. We never carry the bull of them, but we have pear. Yeah, see there? Pear, my people. When you come on plantation, there's a lot of things, you know. Everything is here. You don't have to carry food to plantation. Food is here. Plantation is food. So I'm saying that is the reason why we have to plant. Alright? It's all about plantation. Yes, my viewers. Notice. See how big this breadfruit is? Yeah? Roast breadfruit and pear. What you talk about? Yeah! Roast breadfruit and pear. Yes, my viewers, 3 breadfruit on one stem. See there? 3 breadfruit. All 4. You pick one at 4 already? Yeah. Yeah, man. Climb up in there now and bad climb and bad like gas. The long stick. Alright. When you sit down good, you will catch, you know. Yes, I. Yeah, man, the breadfruit soon dropping us, so I have to stay on the tree to catch you or else you run down to our gully. Yeah, man, you run down to our gully, so I on the tree and wait for the breadfruit to drop. Yeah, let him go. Let me catch him. Here goes. Alright, it's good. Come on, it's good, man. That one is good. Yes, my viewers, I wait for 2 more breadfruit to drop. As when them drop, I pull them around, so I have to back up. You ready? Let him go. You not catch him yet. Alright, fire it, man, make you catch him. Me there. Alright, my people. Yes, my viewers. That is one, my viewers. Here is the next one. Yeah, man, me catch one, man. Me catch him. Alright, let him go. There they wait for him. Yes, my viewers, one more. Yeah, right on my foot. Yes, man. Right on my foot, my viewers. Yes, man. Breadfruit, man. Yes, my viewers. Overripe breadfruit. Yeah, the breadfruit overripe. It just drop. Mash out. Yeah. Butter. You understand? Overripe breadfruit. Yeah. My God, man. Overripe. Overripe, my people, my viewers. Overripe breadfruit.
Jamaican farmers.
Yes, my viewers, you don't know, you know. It's all about banana. Yeah. It shoot, you know, but it drop down from tender age. But right now, the banana fit. Yeah, man, the banana fit right now, so we are going to cut it. Yeah, banana can eat. So I'm going to say, you can see where it did lie down here, so. Yeah, man, over how much months now, so. You ready? Yeah, man, so. We're going to cut that one. But two of them, you know, my people. Watch the next one. This one was very young. This one dropped down at a tender age. But look at it. Soon ready, my people, so we are leave it. See there? On the ground it there. So we are leave it, make it go and fit. It's all about banana. Watch the next one now. Watch the next one now. That's how we do it when we do it on the plantation, man. Watch the next one now. Lovely bunch of banana, my viewers, yeah? There, man. We're not going nowhere. See? Look at this banana tree here. Very huge banana. It is a young banana tree. You notice how big it is? Look at the chunk. Very huge banana chunk. Yeah, it's a young banana. Alright, my viewers? It's all about some of the banana, them turn white. Them get white, you know. And the ground too long. You notice? Yeah, them get white. And the ground too long. You notice this side was up. That is the reason why the sunshine is so good for plants. Alright? Yes, my people. I want a sucker. See a sucker, a little sucker. I want it to go plant. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Get up. Come on. With the right hand, I get up tree here. So when you come on the plantation, there's a lot of fruit. Alright? Yeah, man. Gin up, my viewers. Gin up. Whole heap of gin up. Tree load. Look how big the tree is. See how big the tree is? Yeah. It's all about gin up. Yeah. Nice, man. Yeah, man. Right about now, we are going to look some dry coconut. But right now, I sight a mango tree. And when you come to mango, my favorite that. My favorite that when you come to mango tree. Yeah. Dry coconut, dry coconut. Yeah, my viewers. Dry coconut. Right, we have a taller one here. Yeah, Sir Water Bee. So it has Sir Water Bee go climb your one here. Alright? Yeah, no, he can climb. Yeah, man, you know the skill to climb, them long time climbing. Alright. The first one, I try a coconut. Alright, yes, my viewers, you see, big dry coconut, but the breeze kind of trunk from around. That's what we can do. Come on, pick the first one now, man. Catch the first one for video, yeah, sir. Yes, my viewers, see that? Yeah! Red nibble, red nibble. Come on, brother, man. Pick dry coconut. Yes, 2-1 time! 2-1 time, my viewers, they run good on a goalie. Yeah, man, that's how we pick dry coconut, you know? Yeah. We're going to bake some total when we go out. Alright? Yes, my viewers. I'll show you the view of the farm. Yeah. Yeah, man, the view of the farm. Yeah, kind of want grass season because we get whole heap of water. We ball for water and we get it, but it's too much now, pan we. Yes, it's a nice plowland there. Yes, my viewers, nice plowland. Right around. Yeah, nice view, you know? Alright, we're there with people, we're not left now, so just stay tuned, alright? Yeah, man. We in the hills and valley, but we thirsty, we want some drinks. But we can't get no shop to buy no drinks. Ain't no Pepsi or no Buster, so we look on bamboo to pick some jelly. Yes, my viewers, we'll pick some jelly off of the short tree. Yeah, Crystal Punch. Alright? Stay tuned. It's all about jelly time. Tick ready, tick ready. Yeah, man, tick ready. It's all about jelly time. Yeah. How long you up in your tree? I see your jelly them pretty up there. Yes, them. Yeah, man. We lean up his stick already, you know. We lean it up. We lean it up, my people. My viewers, the jelly drop now, but guess what? We lost the machete. So we're not going to drink your wine because the machete last. Yes, my viewers. Jelly ready now, jelly time. You want some? Chorrated. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Yes, me have meat. Meat. Yes, my viewers, me ready, you know. Me ready. Me ready, brother. Me ready. Yo, you ready, sir? Time to go, sir. Yes, my viewers, you know you have to comfortable with yourself when you're in a truck seat. You see me? Yeah, man, we are about to left out of town now. So here, please remember to like and share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about. Are you ready, sir? Alright. Now that me I say, man, them ready. We'll pull out now, so don't change the dial. Side? Side. Oh. Yo! Time to go home. I go home now. I catch 1 year. Yeah. Yeah, man, I saw the truck look when I come from Plantation. What you gear? What you gear? Ah, dear. Alright. Yes, maybe you see there. I saw you look when they come from Plantation. Everywhere, man. We have things all about, man. I just the bull I'm missing, but don't worry yourself. We soon get bull side.